Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Emily with myclosetrocks.com. If you like videos about designer fashion, bags, and collection reviews, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I wanted to do a review of one of the newer Louis Vuitton collaborations with Urs Fischer. And looking on Instagram, I've noticed a lot of people aren't a big fan of it. I still think it's really cool. It does look kind of like you're a little bit intoxicated while looking at the monogram. So I wasn't really sure what it would look like if I did purchase a piece, how like 3D the pattern was, or if it was really worth the price points they're trying to get. So keep watching. I'm gonna show you exactly what I purchased from the collection and do a little unboxing. But first I wanted to go through a couple of the main pieces from the collection and give you kind of my point of view on the price point and how it looks basically. All right, let's start with the Neverfull. You guys know that if there is limited edition collection, I always recommend if you want something from the collection, the best value, usually I like to go with the Neverfull. In this case, it is so expensive, I don't know if it's even worth it because it is about $950 more for this Neverfull in this collection than it is to buy just the regular Neverfull MM. That being said, I really do like the black and white. I think it's a really cool look. I think it's a good size for the size of the monogram, but that is if you're willing to pay $2,490 for it. The regular Neverfulls are priced at $1,540 USD. Next, let's talk about another kind of classic and usually included in limited edition collections, the on-the-go tote. And this bag, every time I just don't understand why it's so expensive. Also, it only comes in the red and black colorway, and it is priced at $3,900 USD. So if you're, paying that plus tax, you're gonna be paying over $4,000 for this bag. And while it's a really cool bag, I think it works better on larger bags. I cannot get past that price point. If you're looking for something a little bit around the same size as the On The Go, I really did like the Cabas bag, which comes in the black and white color scheme, and it's more of a taller bag, and it's priced at $3,450. I think that's a little better of a deal, and I kind of almost like the bag better. Okay, let's talk about the Speedy. Now, the Speedy only comes in the size 25. It comes in both the black and the red. I just think because, it's not a tiny bag, but because it is kind of a smaller bag, the pattern looks a little bit claustrophobic in my opinion. It's just really busy. And that one is priced at $2,630. So obviously from the size of the box, I did not purchase anything super big, but this is a piece that I think is more worth the price, even though it still is pricey. It's something that I didn't drop a whole ton of money on for something that, could be trendy or something that I don't like in the future. And here it is. So I ended up purchasing the Pochette Accessoire. It is priced at $1,550 USD. I thought because it was a smaller bag, I thought it could handle this craziness a little bit better than some of the larger ones. It's still a statement piece, but it doesn't take over your outfit. So first I'm just gonna show you what it looks like up close. You can see that it is very fuzzy. So this is like a felt material, and it just sits on top of the coated canvas, which actually has a grained leather look. It comes with one red leather strap here, the smaller one, and it also comes with a long adjustable red leather strap, and it has gold hardware. Now, one thing I really appreciate about this collection is the handles and straps are either red or black treated leather, so it won't get stained or darken like classic Louis Vuitton bags. Now, it's weird to say my favorite part of this bag is the interior of it, but it honestly took me by surprise because I did not notice this in the listing on the Louis Vuitton website, is that it has a monogram inside, and it's like a shiny monogram against the matte black background. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on me for size. I'm about 5'4", so you can kind of see why I would not purchase a large bag in this print, as it kind of would overwhelm me a little bit. I want to know your thoughts on this collection. Leave them below. If you did buy something, let me know why you like it, why you don't, if you're going to return it, if you're going to keep it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to check out my other videos of other limited edition collection reviews. Thanks again.